Hi, I'm Wyatt. Welcome to Working with Wyatt. We're at the mountain house. Let's get to work. These are new septic tanks. You gotta hook them to the house and hook them to each other. Septic tank, septic tank. But first, we gotta get this giant frog out of here. Now we're gonna get the frog out. We just put the ladder in, and don't try this at home so nobody freaks out because there has been no poop in this. It's brand new. I can't believe that I'm doing this. It's so cool. Mission accomplished. Nailed it. We're going paddle boarding and we're gonna let him go. Wait, he's looking at me. What's our name? We're by the lake that goes with our house and we're about to release the frog. We never saw a crazy frog again. I hope he's as happy as we are up here.